Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us and sharing your inspiring speeches in our competition. We're so thrilled to have determined such talent and dedication. Keep practicing and challenging yourself to grow even further. We wish you all the best in your journey ahead and keep up the great work.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. My name is Shinantya Prasetyohadi, and you can call me Jane. Today, I will be giving you my speech that I authentically wrote myself, called Leaders of the Future. Does anyone here knows Abraham Lincoln, Nelson Mandela, Pope Francis, and even our former president, Mr. Jokowi? Yes, they're all great leaders. I think from all those examples, you can guess what I will be talking about today. Today, I will be talking about leadership and what it takes to be a good leader. First thing first, what even is a leader? Well, according to Oxford Library, a leader is a person who commands and leads a society, a group, or even a country. We all know there's good leaders and bad leaders, right? Well, first thing first, why do we need to have a good leader and why do we need to be a good leader? Because with a good leader, we can create a positive work environment, increase creativity, inspire other individuals, and so much more. Here's a fun fact. Did you know the leader of an alpha pack always stands and walks behind the pack? Why? Well, in some cases, people say it's because the members always try to kill the alpha. But not just protecting itself, it's also protecting its pack from being hurt from behind. Now that's the sad truth about being a leader, always being suspected and fought badly by the members. But the true fact is, a leader is a person who is willing to serve their community, a person who is willing to sacrifice their own life for the greater good. That's what I think what it takes to be a good leader. But what about us teenagers? Teenagers my age. What can we do to start? Well, we can train ourselves to be more disciplined, brave, productive, and of course confident. First thing first, did you know that discipline can start by your own bed? We all know teenagers nowadays get up without making their beds, right? Well, with just waking up early in the morning and make your bed, we can train ourselves to be more disciplined. And we can also try waking up more early every day. Why? Won't that just make us more exhausted throughout the day? Well, no. In fact, it can give us more time to be more productive. What about being brave? Here's a quote. If you're swimming in the ocean and your feet can't really touch the ground, don't be afraid, because that will lead you to something more exciting. So don't ever be afraid to try new things. What about being confident? To myself, I think confidence is a really easy key. All you have to do is just neglect every negative things people are saying behind your back and focus on what's positive, the positive things you can do. With just training from a young age for being brave, disciplined, productive, and confident, you could definitely be a great leader when you grow up. As a successor of Indonesian, I think it's very, very important to teach young people my age of how to be a good leader. Be brave, dare to speak, and of course care about others. The future is ours. It's our responsibility to make the world a better place. Because you, and everyone around us, and even me, we are the future leaders of Indonesia. That's all from my speech. Thank you, have a great day, and God bless you.